I'm blasting these raps all over ya. They see me on the web and catch arachnophobia. This is the shadow of Galactus casting over ya. This is the final day of the last utopia. He carries a curse and slowly it kills him. That's why he walks alone, surrounded by ghosts of children. One of the most realest, he only rolls with the real ones. The flow's so explosive it blows your skull through the ceiling. Check the last dosage, the craft never lacked focus. In the black smoke, the rap flow is half-voted. The master is backloaded. Half clones get cracked open, they ask for it, and I don't need a mask for this. They're having trouble handling this target. The Phantom of the Opera make them scramble in the darkness. They like to slam us into conflict, and they wanna stand over us like Thanos with the gauntlet. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. I hate to disappoint you, but I ain't here to meet your majesty. I'm only here for the carnage, Cletus Cassidy. I speak my peace, then I'm gone and I leave the galaxy. I talk to beings and I walk in between realities. Don't believe me? Look at all the things that challenge me. You can see how easily I can delete the fallacies. 3 little pigs, death comes in 3 fatalities. So don't get caught beneath this gravity. This is an art form, they say I'm too smart for 'em. I just laugh at 'em and tell 'em that I'm too dark for 'em. Another dart thrown, fuckers must have not known. It's Steve Grant, Hollywood, 954 Florida, I'm not a foreigner. I was born here, the aura of an orator / warrior. Watched all the horrors and walked down the black corridors. And now they're trying to trap all of us. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Yeah, I know they watch me and they're coming for my mind, but you'll never see me cover my eye with a butterfly. From Kelly Thomas to Mike Brown, I'm colorblind. Another mother cries, singing bloody lullabies, and they wonder why I'm like the beast on it. I never forgot what Martin Luther King told me. That's why I walk around like I got a dream, homie. Cause I don't ever know when they gon' put the beam on me. Yeah, officer, thanks for your services. Every single person in Ferguson knows you murdered them. Now these words are circling, shit is getting superfluous. They further us away from each other, that's how they hurting us. So try to meditate, I'll resonate while I elevate to the highest level made. The giant heavyweight, it's like the lion never ate. The hunger's inside him, I give a fuck who you run with, cause I be running with titans.